Welcome to Alice Cafe and Restaurant. I believe you have a reservation. May I have your name and how many persons, please?
My name is Laika, for one person only.
Would you prefer smoking or non-smoking area?
Non-smoking area.
This way, ma'am. Is this table okay for you?
Yes.
Please have a seat. May I unfold your napkin?
Yes. Thank you.
How about some refreshing drinks to start with? Would you have iced tea or plain water?
Ice cream.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your iced tea.
Thank you.
By the way, my name is Sheena, and I am your dining attendant for today. Don't hesitate to call me whenever you need something. Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Please have some freshly baked bread. Ma'am, I would like to present to you our menu for your selection. I will take your order whenever you're ready. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order?
For appetizer, baked tahong. For soup, crab and corn. Salad, fresh fruit and vegetable. Main course, beef steak, dessert, slice of cake.
Thank you. May I repeat your order? Your order for your appetizer is baked tahong. For soup, crab and corn. Salad, fresh fruit and vegetable. Main course, beef steak, dessert, slice of cake. Did I get your order correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. Your order will be served within 15 minutes.
Thank you.
I present to you our wine list. For your selection, which one would you prefer? A bottle of white wine or red wine?
Red wine.
Here's your appetizer, ma'am. Baked tahong.
Thank you, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your crab and corn soup.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear? Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your salad. Vegetable salad. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear?
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your main course. Beef steak. Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your dessert. Slice of cake.
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like some coffee or tea to go with your dessert?
Tea.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your tea.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. May I clear?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am. Here's your bill.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. I received 1,000 pesos and I'll be back for your change and ma'am, here's your change. Thank you for dining with us and I hope to see you again next time.
Thank you.
Good morning. Thank you for calling room service. This is Sheena speaking. How may I help you?
Hi, I want to order some food.
Certainly, ma'am, do you have the menu with you? It's on the table next to your bed. Did you see it?
Yes.
May I have your name and room number, please?
My name is Laika, and my room number is 304.
Thank you for that information. Okay, Ma'am Laika, of room 304. May I take your order?
I want a roasted chicken and red wine.
Would you like lobster or fish fillet? How
Uh,
about some champagne to go with it?
Sure. I want a lobster.
Is there anything else? Anything else would you like to order?
That will be all. Thank you.
Okay, Ma'am Laika, may I repeat your order? Your order for roasted chicken and red wine, is that correct?
Yes, that's perfect.
Your order will be delivered within 15 to 20 minutes. Would you like us to deliver it right away or at a specific time?
Specific time, please.
Okay, ma'am, thank you. The total amount of your bill is 1,750 pesos. Are you paying in cash or charge it to your room?
I will pay on cash.
Alright, ma'am. How much bill do we need to change for?
2,000?
Is there anything else that I can help with?
No.
Thank you for bringing up that concern. Would you like me to transfer your call to the right department to address your concern?
No.
Thank you. Thank you for calling room service. Have